Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, I will teach you how you can bring your My Computer or this PC icon on your desktop screen if it is disappeared. Let's suppose if you install new window or due to some other reason you are not finding the My Computer or this PC icon on your desktop. So what you have to do this, you just need to right click on the screen and then here you can see this option personalize, so we have to click on it. Okay, then this settings window will pop up and here we have to find the option themes, so we will click on it, themes. Okay, so on the page of themes we have to find under the related setting there is the option of desktop icon setting, so we will select this one. Okay, so desktop icon settings will pop up and here you can see that desktop icon, so here you can see that the computer is unchecked. If we will select this one, now this is checked and now we have to apply and then said okay. So now you can see that our this PC icon is present on the desktop screen. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.